welcome back to Dataviz tutorial. In today's video we will see what is a stacked bar chart and what is the difference between a stacked bar chart and 100% stacked bar chart. So what is a stacked bar chart? In a stacked bar chart we get to see different components in a total category, in a total bar. Let's see first in action how we can create a stacked bar chart, and then we will understand what it is depicting. So to create a stacked bar chart, first let's create a bar chart. To create a bar chart, I want to see here my sales for all the subcategories. So I will drag my subcategory field into columns and my sales field into rows. So my sales will be in y-axis and subcategory will be in x-axis. Now I will sort that in descending order. So this is a normal bar chart which I am able to see here. Now suppose in this bar chart I also want to see the depiction of a different field. That is, I want to see that how in this subcategories different what is the contribution for different segments, how the sales is for different segments for all these subcategories. So for that what I can do, I will drag my segment field into colors. As I will drag my segment field into colors, you will see that my total bar of sales is divided into 3 different bars. So as you can see in segment, I have 3 different categories: consumer, corporate and home office. So each bar is getting these 3 different categories. Each bar is now divided between these 3 different segments, that is consumer, corporate and home office. This is called a stacked bar chart, wherein we are able to see the different component division in the whole bar. So my whole bar of the subcategory, I am able to see different contribution of the segments. So for these 3 segments, I have 3 different bars which are adding up to the total bar. Now, through this stacked bar chart, we are able to visualize our third field, that is our third categorical field, and I am able to see that what the segment field contribution is there in the whole subcategory. So this is called a stacked bar chart. Now let's turn on the labels for this stacked bar chart. Now what is this 100% stacked bar chart? So currently I am able to see the sales contribution for individual segments, for individual subcategory. So I am able to see that in my phone subcategory, home office segment sales is 68k, in corporate segment it is 91k, and in consumer segment it is 169k. So I am easily able to see with the help of my colors also that consumer segment is taking up the larger space in comparison to corporate and home office, and I am able to see that in size of the bar also. So the size of the bar will be high in case of consumer in comparison to other 2 segments. So this is a normal stacked part, but suppose now I want to see that what is my segment contribution percentage in this subcategory. So I want to take these individual subcategories as a whole, that is as a 100% bar. In that 100% bar, what is the percentage division for these different segments that I want to see? So for that what I can do, I can go to drop down of sales, I can click on quick table calculation. In here I will click on percent of total. So when I will click on percent of total, by default I will get the percent of total computing to table across. So in the whole 100%, I am able to see 7% contribution is for consumer segment from phone subcategory, 7% is from chair subcategory. So that I am able to see through a table across. But as I told earlier, I want to see the percentage contribution in the individual subcategory. So my subcategory bar should be 100% bar. In that 100% bar, what is the percentage division of these segments that I want to see? So for that, what I will do, I will go to edit table calculation, and here I will click on table down. As I will click on table down, my computation will be now table down, that is now each subcategory is representing a 100% bar. In that 100% bar, what is the percentage contribution of these segments, that I am able to see. Now for example, in this phone subcategory, that is a 100% bar of phone subcategory, I am able to see that 20% contribution is from home office, 27 is from corporate, and 51%, so largest portion, is from consumer segment. That I am able to see. Now the same is visible for all the different subcategories. Now in my if I go to supplies, I can see only 3% contribution is from home office, 41 is from corporate, and 55 is from consumer. So if I want to see that what is my segment contribution percentage in all the subcategories, so I can depict that through a 100% stacked bar chart. So now this is representing a 100% stacked bar chart. So if you have any queries, you can simply ask in the comment section. And for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to Dataviz tutorial. Now we will meet in our next video. Till then, take care and happy learning.